Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your Bowers Wilkins Pi5 on your iOS device. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so press and hold that empty space. Then click Editor Plus at the left top, Add Widget. Now scroll down and click on Batteries. And right here we have 3 presets, so choose the best one for you, I guess that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. And you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. Also we have the second option, is to use an application and just open it. Right here at the right top you can check the battery percentages, and also you can go to the settings, click on your headphones and check it right here, it's the same. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!